Hey sack packers, I'm gonna throw up this little video. Open tag, JO Adventures. This is Mountain Ajar. So I got this cool little one here. It is a Walker, discontinued, but I got it new in the box. It is a 84 millimeter 2 to 2.1 blade. Woo, a very, very sharp 2.5 inch saw, wire stripper, pry bar, bottle opener, main blade, wonderful tweezers, toothpick, smaller than a hiker, smaller than a camper. Those ones are 91 millimeters. Bought it specifically for a chest rig that I want to put it in. Stainless steel. Let's rock that sack pack, y'all. Peace.